guys, welcome back and let's get started. I have this wig here from Love Me Hair. It's one of my favorites. I've had it for a while now, and as you can see, I have been wearing it religiously. If you want to know more information and details about this wig, I will leave the link down in the description box below. And to help clean this wig up and get it prepped and ready for our at-home blowout, I will be shampooing and conditioning this wig using the new products from Love Me Hair. They have a complete hair care line dedicated to wigs specifically. And these products do a great job at really cleaning your wigs, getting all the gunk off of the lace without overly stripping it of all of the natural oils. The conditioner in this hair care line is also really great. It does a great job at softening the hair and making it really easy to detangle. If you're interested in purchasing any of these products for your wigs or your hair, because it does work really well on your natural hair as well, you can find all of these products on the Love Me Hair website, and I will also leave that down in the description box as well. I also reapplied some more lace tint spray, this one from Kiss. It will be linked on my Amazon storefront. And I also added some leave-in conditioner and hair oil, all from the Love Me Hair wig care line. Alright, now let's get into the fun stuff. So I got this rotating hair dryer brush from Amazon. It comes with 4 different attachments. It comes with 2 rotatable brushes, one that's a 1 1/4 inch and the other is 2 inches. It also comes with an oval volumizer and a diffuser. This rotating dryer brush can spin in 2 directions, and it has 3 different blow drying settings. You can blow dry the hair on cool, and it also has 2 separate heat settings. This was my first time ever using this rotating dryer brush, and I actually found it to be fairly simple to use. It did take me a minute to get used to the handling in terms of knowing which button to push exactly to go in which direction I needed the hair to go, if that makes sense. But after using it for a couple minutes, it was actually fairly smooth and easy. I did test all of the attachments, but this one that I'm using in the video is my favorite, so I stuck with that one. It is the 2-inch rotating barrel. I just found it to be the easiest to use. And taking a few blowout tips that I found on YouTube, I focused on the roots primarily to make sure that they were dry first before emphasizing the curl towards the end, if you know what I mean. I am far from an expert hairstylist, so if that doesn't make sense, I'm sorry, I don't know how else to explain it. But yeah, I just used the basic round brush technique to achieve this blowout. I also found that adding a little bit of mousse at the root helped to hold the volume. Overall, I think this hair tool is a great option, especially if you love volume in your hair. And if you know me, you know I love a volume in my hair, and I think this tool did a great job at adding volume. If you haven't already seen my original try-on and review for this wig, I encourage you to go watch it, because if you watch that video, you can definitely see the huge difference that this blow dryer made in the wig. Before, this wig was very flat, very like super straight, but after using this blow dryer, this hair has so much more volume and body. I love it. If you're interested in purchasing this blow dryer or simply just trying it out, I will leave the direct link to it down in the description box below. It is on Amazon and it's currently on sale for $10 off, so you can get it for a really affordable price. I will also link everything else that I mentioned here in this video down in the description box below. The link to the video so you can watch the original unboxing for this wig, all of the hair care products that I use, and everything else. So make sure you check the description box. But that is all that I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Soulful Shenanigans channel for more videos and content like this. Thank you again so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.